Dear children, take a look at the things around you. How many types of these things are there? We find that matter has three states: solid, liquid, and gas. These states of matter depend on the characteristics of their particles. Students, we have take a look around our surroundings. We see different things with different shapes, structure, and formation. Everything in this universe is made up of matter. Now, what is matter? Matter occupies space and has mass. Anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. Matter is made up of many small particles. Children, you must have seen that when a light beam enters in a dark room through a small hole or a window, we see some dust particles floating in its path. You will also observe some gaps between these particles. So students, let's understand this through an activity. When we dissolve some salt or sugar in water, the particles of salt adjust themselves in the intermolecular space of the water. Therefore, the level of the solution does not change. Interparticle space is present in matter is proved by this dissolution property. Dear children, now let's understand that the particles of matter are in continuous motion. Let's do an activity. Put a drop of blue or red ink slowly and carefully along the sides of a glass. Leave and observe the glass undisturbed. Would you observe that how particles present in a drop of ink mixes with moving particles of water? Hence, the ink dissolves entirely in water. We know that matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a fixed volume and a definite shape. The particles of solids are held together through a strong force of attraction, and the particles are closely packed with very less or no interparticle space between them. Solids stay where they are placed. The particles show negligible motion and can only vibrate in the main position, having little kinetic energy. They do not change their shape when kept in different vessels. Whereas when we talk about liquids, they have a fixed volume but have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. Liquids have weaker force of attraction as compared to solids. The particles of liquid are arranged in a specific pattern with some interparticle distance between them. As compared to solids and liquids, gases have very less or negligible force of attraction between the particles. This is because they possess largest interparticle distance. The particles of gases are highly movable due to very less force of attraction between them. Students, when we throw a stone in a glass of water, you would observe that it will sink. This is because solids have high density as compared to liquids and gases. So dear students, now we have learned about the states of matter.